Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the operating system is current. This prevents installer conflicts. Open any Office app and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your license so activation is smooth. Once signed in, verify whether you have Microsoft 365 or a one-time Office license because the update path differs. If you see a prompt about permissions, accept it. This step establishes account, license, and system readiness, so the actual update can proceed without authentication or compatibility interruptions. Once your account is ready, open File, choose Account, then Update Options and pick Update Now to force Office to check for updates. This applies to most Windows installs. Make sure you keep Office apps open and allow the automatic download and install. Don't interrupt power or network. If your copy came from the Microsoft Store or you're on Mac OS, open the Store or Auto Update utility instead because those channels manage updates differently. Once the progress reaches 100%, close and reopen apps to finalize changes. After updates complete, restart your laptop to ensure new files are active and background services restart correctly. Make sure Office shows the updated version in Account. If activation or sign-in errors appear, sign out and sign back in to refresh credentials. If an update fails or an app won't open, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the Office Repair tool from Control Panel or Mac OS equivalent, because they diagnose common conflicts and missing components. That single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.